Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday. I'm going to call it Wet Wednesday because here, at least in Sutter County, Yuba City, Sacramento, Northern California, we got rain coming. I was just out in it. It started to sprinkle. So, last night I did hot and sour soup. Wow, yummy. Oh, very good. And I quote from Robin, the Chinese restaurants locally have something coming their way. Something to that effect. So it was very good. Robin enjoyed it very much. She took part of the leftovers for work today at lunch. Yeah. So today I'm doing jambalaya pasta. And I'm going to possibly attempt chocolate mousse. I got a great sweet tooth. It's been dying for something sweet. So let's get to it. Got some hardware for the jambalaya pasta. Got some shrimp. Got some chicken thighs. Got some andouille sausage, linguine. There's heavy cream, chicken stock, olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, of course, red bell pepper, petite diced tomatoes, my Cajun spice blend, and some flat leaf parsley. So, good to be a great meal. I'll get back to that in a minute. So this is the goodies for the chocolate mousse. I'm going to be using semi-sweet chocolate. Of course, there's sugar. There's powdered sugar for the whipped cream, heavy whipping cream, Mexican vanilla, just a tad bit of salt, and these wonderful eggs. Now back to puff pastry. This has been a thorn in my side since December. There's a recipe that I want to do this week that recalls puff pastry. If you remember, I had to use phyllo dough for a dish, several weeks ago because Bel Air and Rayleigh's was out of puff pastry. Again, Bel Air, Rayleigh's, Food Max were out. I got these last two boxes. The last two boxes at Winco just a little bit ago. I don't know what's going on with this. Yeah, I don't know. All I know is I can't get it. So, somebody tell me. So what do you got going on this Wednesday? I hope everybody's got their power back and everybody's still safe. Like I said, we got some rain coming in, but they're not calling it a storm. It's rain. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.